Good evening, brother.
Okay, good evening, brother. How are you?
We are fantastic. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also fantastic and well. So what's going on there?
Yes, it's going very well. As we are meeting first time, could you please introduce yourself at first?
Okay. So thank you for giving this golden opportunity to introduce myself. So my name is Jiten Kumar. I'm connecting with you from Uttar Pradesh, and I'm a YouTuber. I my channel name is Bechara English Boy, where I upload English conversation videos every day, and so that viewers and other English learner can learn from my videos. And I also am a learner as well. So that's all about me and my sort of too. So could you please introduce yourself a little bit?
So thanks as you have given us an opportunity to introduce myself. So first of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood, and as you can see, this is my sister. We are siblings and twins, baby. We are from Dinajpur district, Bangladesh. I hope you have enough idea about my country, Bangladesh.
Yes,
And
yes.
I think that's about me. So please let my sister introduce herself.
Okay. So please introduce.
I'm so thankful to you that you have given me an opportunity to tell about myself. And this is Maliha binti Masood. I study in class 7. As you can see, this is my sister Muwaj, and we are siblings as well as we are twins. And my father is a professor as well. My mother is a teacher, and I'm from at Dinajpur in Bangladesh. And I think this is it about myself.
Okay, that's great. You both are speaking well, and I think that you are a really good communicator, both of you. So I never ever thought that anybody will connect with me from other countries. So it's a really big movement and big opportunity for me. You are connecting with me from Bangladesh. So really, I'm very glad to talk to you.
Yes,
Yes,
so we are so really great that we are communication at different country.
yes, it's our pleasure that we are every single day we are learning so many actually new things in English from foreign people. It's our pleasure. That's great.
Okay. So, could you please a little bit say something about your place where you are living and in Bangladesh?
Okay, so first of all, I will tell you that the name of my country is Bangladesh. I live in Dinajpur district of Bangladesh. It is one of the most popular and almost most big, you can say, district in Bangladesh. So I love my country very much. I'm so proud of my country. It is an independent country. It got independence in 1991 from Pakistan, and now it is increasing day by day. I hope it will actually reach its goal one day. And there are so many actually beautiful places where you can visit if you get an opportunity to come my country. So try to come my house. Okay.
Okay, definitely. Whenever I will get opportunity to visit your country, I will definitely try to come. So, dear, I want to just ask a questions to you. How did you learn English? You are your age. I think that very less. So you are both are speaking English very well. So how did you learn this language? Because I know that as I know that in your country people speaks Bangladeshi. So how did you learn it?
Yes, you are right that the native language of my country is Bangla, but we are learning English is because we have learned it. Actually, if I talk about my English journey, so I have to say at first that it was a great journey, but small. My fortune was great. I have started my journey to learn English on May month 2023 when I was in class 6, and right now I study in class 7. And in this small journey I have actually learned a lot of things. My English tutor come to my house every single day to teach us English. Through this private I have learned a lot of things, especially spoken English. Is my teacher taught me enough things. And not only this private but also from YouTube. YouTube, I have learned a lot of things, especially when when I was beginner to learn this language. In that time, I listened more lecture from actually foreign people, all those who are very actually popular in that country. I listen more and more. Not only that time, but also in this time, I am learning and lots of things, and I'm listening. Try to listen all time because listening is very important to learn this.
Yeah.
I think by practicing, I'm learning this language. Is I think that's all about my English journey.
Okay, okay. So that's really, really great and inspiring.
English is not also your mother language. So Hindi is your mother language or other language. I don't know exactly. So how have you learned this language?
Actually, as you told that Hindi is not my mother language, so I know very well. And in spite of living in rural areas or in village, I thought that if I get chance to go outside of my country and go outside of my state, then how will I react and how will I convey my message to other persons? For that person, I learned English language because I know that. Hindi language, by speaking in Hindi language, you cannot share your message, you cannot convey your message to other persons. I mean to say that if you visit outside of other countries from your countries, then you will have to suffer a lot while conveying your message, while talking with any particular persons. For that purpose, I learned that language. This is a beautiful language and which is spoken across the country. And I just started learning English in 2015, and for that I joined a coaching center, but it was not sufficient. I just studied only 1.5 months there, and after that I started practicing before 4 months again. I created YouTube channels as I told you in the beginning of this video, named Bechara English Boy, and then I created these channels, and after 2 months I just started practicing. I started interacting and connecting with different kinds of persons like you, and from there my journey is going something good, and sometimes it goes bad, but everything is trying to I'm making to good in right direction, in proper directions. So that's all.
How long have you been learning English?
So as I told you, in 2015 I started learning English, but that's why I joined a coaching center in 2015, and there I studied only 1.5 month, and after that I left it. But when I created a new channel in 2023, I created a YouTube channel named Bechara English Boy, as I told you. After getting 2K subscriber, I thought that I should also practice again. I should also communicate. I should make my communication skill strong. For that, from then I just started practicing. So I can say that it was beginning of my English learning journey was from 2015. But as I started YouTube channels, from there I create. I mean, I can say that I have been learning this language for 4 months.
Where are you staying at this time?
Actually, whenever I get opportunity to talk with any person, I just stand. I just talk standing.
I can see you a whiteboard behind you.
Yes, here I used to teach to the boys and girls. I when I created these channels, I was uploading not conversational videos. I was uploading teaching videos like जैसे वह घर जाता है तो he goes to home, he goes to market, so like that sentences. But when I came to know that by connecting people by Skype ID, I can connect and we can connect with different kinds of person from other state, other countries. Then I just started uploading conversation videos on my YouTube channels. But I hope that within within few days I will start again teaching here, so that my I have also am a teacher of a English language. I teach in a private school, basically math and English, two subject. For that purpose, for that reason, I just hang up this whiteboard and where I try to teach to the boys and girls so that my schools, boys and girls, my school student can learn from me as well online and offline both.
Do you have any YouTube channel?
Yes, I told you, my channel name is Bechara English Boy. It is something funny, but I named it, so what I can do? No.
So,
So do you like my channel name is Bechara English Boy?
yes, I like. Um,
Is it funny or not for you? Please tell me your opinion.
It is so funny, and we get so much pleasure by listening this name.
Okay, thank you.
how many subscribers do you have?
3.6K subscriber I have.
Okay, that's great. So when have you started your channel?
In 2023, in the month of October, 19th 19th October 2023, I created this channel, and in beginning I was just uploading only short videos and short content.
Yes, yes. So I can see you that you have started to learn English is since 2015. But in that time, we just is actually studying in class play. So please, you have a number of experience, a lot of experience in English. So give us some suggestions so that we can improve our spoken English.
Actually, I don't want to say anything to you because you are speaking well. So I think that I don't need to tell you any rules and regulation. I don't need to share my experience to you because you are already speaking well and you are a good communicator looking. So I think that you should try to suggest me what kind of things, what kind of rules and regulations should I follow in my teaching, in my English speaking, because you are a good communicator and good speaker.
Thank you. So first, as a beginner, you don't know anything, you are zero. So first you have to listen more and more, then you have to try to speak in English. You
Yes.
have actually mobile phone or you have a pen, so you have to say something about this pen. You have to try to do it. That this is a pen. This is the color. This pen is white or black. I bought it from market. It is 10 taka, 10 and it's a rupee. So you have to make this type of sentence a simple sentence. Then you have to go that difficult sentence, and you have to. So that thing I will highly suggest you to read. That if you go to the grammatical, so it will be so hard. So first time you should read tense, and so then English will be so easy. But without reading tense, you can also learn English just for listening and practicing. Practice and practice. Practice makes someone perfect. So always try to practice when you are free.
Yeah, yeah.
This is why if you see the video or 40 videos of my YouTube channel at first, so you will be able to see that I talked myself. But nowadays I'm trying. I have created Skype ID. This is why I'm trying, and also people are trying to connect with me to speak in English. I think that's great.
So how many Indian citizens have you talked so far?
Sorry, I didn't count it, but maybe 10 or 11. Sorry, I didn't count it.
Okay, okay. I will definitely when I will watch your videos, then I will count it.
So please ask my sister Maliha some questions. We are speaking too much. So my sister also should tell.
So,
no
so dear,
problem.
so dear, please tell me what do you wanna be in your life? What's your goal? What's your purpose?
Okay, as you know that every person has a dream and goal, and I have also a goal. But I think that my target is that I have to speak in English, and first time I have to practice more and more. Then I have to follow all of advice. Those who are speaking English, those who are, can speak English fluently. Then I will try how every person who can can speak in English. I have to know about speak English, but as you know that speaking English and grammatically it's totally different. I have to if I talk speak in English easily, we don't follow grammatically, but if I write or if I make a sentence, I have to follow grammatically. I think that grammatically is very boring to all of us because it's a very hard and very difficult about our study, and every person knows that I have to speak in English. And here we can as you know that it's not our mother language, it's not your mother language, but at a modern age, it's a very increasing day by day. If we don't know this language, we won't get a good job. We won't sit for our exam, any kind of exam, and these are the reasons. Uh, I think that.
So I just asked you, what's your future plan?
Oh, no problem. I will tell you. My future plan is to be a doctor. My future plan is also one day I will study in a medical university.
So what kind of doctor do you wanna be? You know, there are number of doctors are doing treatment to the patient. So what kind of doctor do you wanna be?
At this time, I'm a student, but I don't know exactly. I have no idea about it, and I didn't decide this study. That's in my aim.
Yes. Okay. So in which class do you study?
Yes, okay. I'm studying 7th class.
Seventh class. Okay. Okay. That's good. So you want to be a doctor? Am I right? So
Yes.
do you want to treat to the patient who are poor, who are not who has not sufficient money? So can you treat them or not?
Definitely, I will treat them, those who are poor, those who can't give money.
Yes, yes. You know, we are a citizens. We are a citizens of our country. You are citizen of your country, and I'm citizen of my country. So, being a citizen of our country, being a human being, it is our responsibility and duty to help the needy people, so that
Yes,
they can also live a peacefully and comfortably their life.
Yes, I
So,
think it's called humanity.
yes, so you will be good doctors. You can be a good doctors in futures. So I think that you should definitely treat to the patient who are poor people who are needy. So that's really good thing. And bro, what do you want to be? What do you wanna be in your future?
Yes, in my future, to be honest, I want to be an engineer. But don't ask me question that what type of engineer do I want to be because I haven't decided it.
Okay, okay. Actually, one more interesting thing I would like to tell you. I'm also an engineer. I have completed engineering in civil departments.
So what do you do at present?
You know, at present, as I told you, I teach in a private school. You know, I visited in a company. I work as a site supervisor in a company, but I left that job because I was not feeling comfortable. I was not doing well. That's why I left that job, and right now I'm available at my home. And from here, I try to teach.
Okay, so brother, can we finish this conversation right now?
Okay, okay. So
Okay, goodbye.
okay, goodbye. Have a good day. Bye.
have a good day. Yeah.